Hello everybody. If you are unfortunate enough to have one of these pieces of crap, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I have been messing with this thing for the better part of a year, and I finally got lucky and figured out the problem. So this is on a 2006 Damon Daybreak, but a lot of different campers have this set up here. And one day I was going to take off and I forgot to raise the jacks, and it has this automatic thing where it automatically retracts the jacks not to damage it. So that happened. It went up, and then months later I was going to try to lower the jacks again, and it didn't work. It started doing this. So it just immediately goes to this warning flashing lights there. It doesn't go through the system reset or anything. So I thought it had something to do with the fact that it automatically retracted, but that has nothing to do with the problem. It turns out that it needed a new solenoid for the system there. And I'm going to walk around outside right now and show you what that looks like. So that's what it looks like. And this is the one that is supposedly defective. So I'm going to swap that out, and it looks pretty easy, pretty plug and play. You just swap everything out, and there's 2 bolts that keep it in place, and it should work. Cross your fingers. Alright, so I swapped them out. Now the old one is here, and I've got the new one in there. And like I said, it's pretty simple. 2 bolts, one here and one there to disconnect it, and then you just basically swap everything out. The positive from the battery goes up here, and the negative goes down there in the front. It even says conveniently that negative there, and on the back side it says a positive up top. Oh, right there, positive up top. Motor reverse, the motor forward. Pretty simple. Hopefully it works. Okay, before, remember that when you turned on the ignition, all these lights would flash as an error message. So now that I've replaced the solenoid, it should cycle through and not flash those lights anymore. Alright, that's a good sign. Alright, so now theoretically we should just be able to push this button here, and it turns on. Alright, and if you can push this button and set it manually. Once that light's on, now you can adjust the jacks. Alright, it is actually working. Thank goodness.